Alright, this is a very cool projectile problem. You'll see. I made this little homemade gun here. It's steel pipe, and inside it is a mountain bike spring that's about this long. And what we're going to do is load her up. We're going to compress the spring with this little device, and we're going to need all my weight and probably some other people's weight too. Compress it, and then we're going to slide a washer in here to lock it in. Then we're going to put in a steel ball, aim it at 45 degrees, and fire it off. Now here's the physics part though. You have to do two things. First, figure out the muzzle velocity, the launch velocity of this steel ball here. Now, how do you do that? We're going to do a little experiment for that. We're going to shoot the cannon straight up in the air. We're going to time how much time it takes for the ball to come up and then come down again. Knowing just that one time, you're going to figure out the launch velocity. You know how to do that. That's a grade 11 problem. Knowing the launch velocity, here comes part two. We're going to aim this thing at 45 degrees. We've got flat ground. You have to calculate how far away the ball is going to land. So there you go. Let's load her up and get going. Okay, so we got her loaded up. It's quite an exercise because it's tight. Physics key, locked up. Put the steel in very carefully. There. Now we're going to shoot it straight up in the air. It's going to go really high. And just to be safe, because safety pays, ready to go. So our job is to time it. I'll say now when it fires, and then I'll say now again when it hits the ground, okay? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, now! There you go. So load her up. I'm going to aim it at 45 degrees. There we go. And I'll go 3, 2, 1, fire. Now the whole idea is you are now going to calculate how far it goes. I'm going to still shoot it, and then I'll give you a rough estimate where it landed, but it won't be precise because you are going to be providing the precise answer. Okie dokie. 3, 2, 1, fire! All right, I'll tell you this much. It was between 50 and 60 meters. You figure out the exact distance. There you go.